What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Google Merchant Center and its different features and its ability to grow your business. So basically, once you set up your Google Merchant Center, you'll be able to showcase your products on many Google pages, such as like Google Maps, on Google Search, as well as ads on YouTube. So here you need to go to google.com/retail and you get an overview. Here you land on this page right here. You'll get an overview of some of the features that are offered or benefits that are offered by the Google Merchant Center to your business. And here, like for example, your products will be showcased on search, on maps, on YouTube, shopping, images, as well as shopping and even images search on Google. So here, if you scroll down, you can see some insights, some statistics, some features of the platform. And to create an account, click on Start Now. And here they'll ask you some questions. Do you sell products online? Yes. What's your store's website? How to simple.site. Do you have a physical store? Let's say no for now. Now complete. Okay, and now continue to Google Merchant Center. Now the business name is How to Simple and the country is in Egypt. Okay, I don't want to get invitations or emails. Continue with Merchant Center. And here it is, the Google Merchant Center dashboard. Now here they give you a welcome to the Google Merchant Center. Okay, overview. Now I'm on my main dashboard here. I can add or complete these steps in order to complete my account. So add your business address, verify your phone number to confirm it's you, or confirm my online store, add details, add products. However, I'll just skip this step for now and just show you what features would you expect. Now here I can get product performance. Of course, once I add products, I can get like insights on how products are performing. So the better performing products and whatnot. And here the product status, because I haven't added any products yet, it doesn't show anything. And here I have notifications, so I can get or I can view all my notifications here. And now your business, I have products, I have all products and the products that need attention. The sales tax, of course, if I'm a US resident, I need to set up my sales tax and automatic improvements. So here I don't have any products added. I can click here to add products, however, I'll show you in a second. Now here I have shipping and returns. I can edit my shipping policies and return policies. They, by default, they are set as I'll show you here. Now here I can add shipping policy. So click on add shipping policy. I can here add or remove the countries in order to configure my policies. However, I'll just cancel it for now. And now here I have my business info, have my details. Of course, it doesn't show up anything because it only shows up the country and your online store, which is not confirmed yet. And now I have the stores. I can add stores here. And countries, I can set up like shipping rates and details for different countries. Here I have free listings. And I have ad campaigns. So here I can create ad campaigns right from within the Merchant Center to appear on Google Search, Google Photos, and etc. And here I have the summary. So all the analytics, the insights, the statistics here of my Google Merchant Center account. Of course, here it doesn't show anything because it's like a newly created account. It's basically empty. Now here I have products and you can see here the traffics on your products and the competitive visibility, the popular products related to yours, and the shopping experience scorecard. Now let's go to products and let's try to add a product and see how it'll look like. Click on add products right here. And here I can add product from a file or use a Google Sheet template to add my products. So I can add my products to a Google Sheet and then upload it here and all my product data will be uploaded. Or I can add products one by one or using an API. Here I can enter a link for the file that I can use to add my products. Let's try to add products one by one to manually add them. And here they tell you that this requires manual update because of course you'll update them manually if you want to. Continue. And now you can here add the countries where you want Google to show your products. Of course, you will want to show your products in the country that your business is located in, of course, to increase your sale or your store or your goods are located in. or in countries that you can ship to. So of course it's no use to show your products in countries which you don't have business in or you cannot ship to. Now if we go back once again, okay, let's add here countries. Let's say for example all countries for the sake of this video. Confirm, and now continue. Okay, let's add product one by one. Continue. And here I can add the product details. So the product page, the product title, the brand, the product description. I can add product media, product type, and sizes, SKUs, countries, prices, and so on. So it's a pretty basic product edition page, similar to the ones that you can see on Shopify or Wix or WooCommerce or other online stores. Okay, let's discard the changes, and now let's go back to our main dashboard. Here in the overview, as you can see, I can go ahead and continue each step. So add your business address, I can add it. I can verify all these steps right here. Now I have the settings and tools. I have the settings for data sources, people and access, apps and services, add-ons, conversion settings, and general account options, as well as personal preference. And this is my Google Merchant Center account. If I click on it, it will show my Merchant Center ID as well as the Comparison Shopping Center. Now, here, as you can see here, of course, your Google Merchant Center dashboard might be different depending on, of course, your types of products and your business, okay, your country, the type of your business. If you do have a physical store, you might see additional options or settings that can serve you this purpose. I did select I don't have a physical store at the beginning of the setup set, so I don't really have the option to show them. So you might have some different options, some additional options, some missing options, depending on the type of your business and the info that you entered upon signing up. So that's pretty much it. That's the Google Merchant Center and how you can use it to grow your business and sell more products. Nevertheless, even if you don't have a physical store, if you don't have an online store only, or if you have both, you can benefit from the Google Merchant Center features here. So I do recommend you to go ahead and finish all these steps necessary to complete your account and to fill in all your information, including your shipping policies, your product types and product images, and return policy as well. We haven't seen, or we haven't looked at return policies here. I can set up my return policy under shipping and returns. I can click here to add return policy. Okay, and of course here the return policy URL for customers to read them, and I can set it by country as well. And I can even not accept return, or I accept for defective items only, or accept for any items. Do you accept exchanges, yes or no? I can fill in all these conditions and then click on next to finish my return policy.